Idea Studio tips. So this actually came from Actor Solutions. They were I asked them, I said, any tips that I can share with my colleagues when I go across to SCADAfest? And they said, well, one of the best things that they didn't realize is that each tab in the Idea Studio has its own undo and redo stack. So you can be working on one particular widget, change your focus over to another particular widget, come back, and the first one, it'll still remember all your undos and redos, so you can page through that. Now that's limited. I think it's limited. I was chatting with Glenn about it, because I honestly didn't realize this myself. That's why it was a wonderful tip. And 24 years in the product, and you don't realize these things. But I think it's limited to about 1,000 different revisions. So yeah, don't think you'll run out of reading and writing those, but it's kind of interesting. And one of the other, just as aside, I like to show it anyway. We do it quite frequently, but I love this idea that you can cut and paste the widgets in VTScada. Let me explain what I mean by that. So I've created a brand new page here. Yeah, I'll love to add it to the menu. Nothing would please me more. If I drop the square on the page there, that's great. That's dropped on the page. What's actually happened in the background there, if I click the source code button here, and I wonder if I can, I'm going to just trust this file. If I can zoom in here a bit more. There we go. So this is the source code for the page that we just dropped the square on. You can see there's something called a GUI rectangle. We're not getting into scripting here. We're not going to be doing a scripting course. You can relax. But what that statement is the code required to draw a square on the page. What's kind of neat is if I go back here, drop a triangle on the page, and I copy that onto the clipboard. So I've done Control-C, or Edit Copy. If I go back to my source code and paste it, you'll see that's the code required to draw a triangle. Okay? You can cut and paste between the text editor and VTScada. So I can actually go in here and change, so we know that this color here, so if I change that color there and change this color here to something else like that, if I now copy the code and do the reverse into VTScada, you can see it hasn't worked with the fill for some reason. The outline of that triangle has actually copied the code. So you can cut and paste between the two. It's a really neat way, very quick way to learn scripting. If you want to just figure out what is that widget doing, want to see the code behind there, want to peek beneath the sheets. So, there.